In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a full website using GoHighLevel from start to finish. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and the best part is you don't have to have any coding experience, design background, or complicated tools to follow along. A lot of people feel stuck when it comes to building a website because they're juggling too many platforms. One for pages, one for forms, one for emails, and another for automation. And that's where GoHighLevel really stands out. It lets you build your website, connect your forms, capture leads, and automate follow-ups all in one place. So in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create a website from scratch inside GoHighLevels. We'll add all the essential pages. I'll show you how to customize everything using the drag and drop builder and even set up your navigation so it actually makes sense. So let's get into it. If you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can actually get access to an extended free trial by using our link down in the description below. Usually they only offer a 14-day free trial, but you can get a full 30 days if you do use that link. Once you click the link below, you can go ahead and click start an extended free trial. You'll have to add in your company name, full name, email, and phone number. And then step number 2, you do have to put a credit card in, but just set a reminder if you're still deciding before the 30 days because you won't be charged until then. And then once you are in, I'm just going to give you a quick little overview of this menu over here. So this is the launch pad right here. Just kind of shows you how you can get set up step by step if you're just getting started. Then we've got our dashboard, and this just really gives us a full picture of the business at a glance. So you can see opportunity value, any tasks, Google Analytics and stuff like that. Then this is where all your conversations can live. So everything can be funneled into one place. Then you've got calendars. So it's kind of like Calendly where you can have all of yours and your team's calendars in one place. And then you can create booking pages exactly like Calendly. Then we've got contacts. So this is where all of your contacts, like your email list and everything in between, will be in here. You can create smart lists. You can upload from an email platform, whatever it may be. Then we've got our opportunities. So this is essentially like a CRM. So example, marketing pipeline, right? You can have a bunch of different pipelines. You can have an onboarding pipeline, a recruiting pipeline. That way you know where all of your leads are in the process, whether it's your marketing, your sales, whatever it may be. Then we've got payment. So this is where you can create product links, coupons, etc. And then you can see how many invoices are in draft, due, received, etc. Then they've got AI agents, marketing. So we've got emails and social planner, automations where you can create a bunch of different recipes is what they call them. You also can customize the workflows just to have everything working on the back end for you. Then we've got sites. So we've got funnels, websites, blogs, etc. And then other things like membership, media storage, reputation, reporting. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and stay in this sites section right here. And we're going to go ahead and go to websites. We're going to go ahead and click new website. So you can start from blank or you can start from a template. I feel like so many people have hesitations towards starting from a template because you want to make it completely your own. But honestly, I'm telling you right now, as someone who's made a million websites, you want to start from a template. It's going to be so much easier and you can customize it within there to make it your own. Also, when you're choosing a template, I always recommend don't just look at the colors and the font because those are two things that can be changed very, very easily. But you want to look at the functionality of the website, how it works, maybe what the menu looks like. The functionality is a lot harder to change. You still can, but it's going to be easier if you just choose the functionality of the website and then change the colors and fonts after that. So now, as you can see over here too, you can browse by categories like travel and hospitality, restaurant and bar, real estate, health and wellness, e-commerce, creative, there's so many options in here. So if you wanted to look at the health and wellness ones, you can go ahead and even just preview it if you want. See, it's already got so much in here and you can just put your own words in there. Okay, maybe you have a marketing agency. So you can come in here, preview all the ones that you're interested in, see all this movement. It's not harder, it's just more effort to put in than it is to change the color and font. I kind of like this. So let's go ahead and choose this template. So now what you can do is they actually have this new AI functionality where you can go ahead and enter in the name of the website, your business niche, goal of the website, target audience, and it can kind of help generate and customize everything. You also can ask it to completely build something as well. So if you want to build the footer, if you want to draft something else, it can also do that. Okay. Also, even using a template, you want to make sure sure you're putting your own brand voice and own identity within the website, or if it's not a personal brand, the brand voice, because people can smell AI from a mile away, okay? It's just kind of has a brand of its own. So make sure you are taking the time to rewrite it in your own words and your own voice, even if you are using the AI, okay? Now, the pages that we need for a full website are home. We'll definitely want an about page, a services, and a contact page, okay? So now you can even see we've got a services page, product, testimonials, FAQs, contact us. So we've got it all on the navigation, but we actually don't have the actual pages created yet. Okay, so we've got our home, our contact, and thank you. So we still need to build our services page. So now what we need to do is go ahead and add a new page. So this can be services, product, whatever it may be. Now we can use an existing one and we'll just go ahead and import this, and then we'll use AI to change it. Can you build this into a services page for a digital marketing agency? Okay, now we can just let AI go ahead and do its thing. And of course, if you wanted to customize this yourself, you can 1000% do that. So now it has completely customized the page, okay? So you'll want to make sure you come in here and you change all of the style, the font, the typography, everything to match your brand and your voice, okay? Now, if you wanted to customize an element or customize the page on its own, you can go ahead and click plus right here. You can add a section if you would like. So maybe we want the full width. And then from here, we can click add element. You can add rows. You can add, a headline, title, button. All you have to do is drag it over. And then of course, you can come in here and change the style, the animations. You can change the typography, the size, and everything in between. So I love that they make it so easy to come in here and customize whatever that you want. If you want to change the typography, what you can do is click typography, and then you'll go ahead and change the headline font, and then you can change the content font as well. If you want to change it, then it will change everything. So this way you can come in here and change whatever it is that you want. Okay. Again, they make it very simple. You also can go ahead and change the text color in here. And then if you want to change the background to maybe an image, you can do that as well. You can create pop-ups. You also can do a custom code as well. And make sure the button or the link does what it's supposed to, okay? So all you have to do is link to, and it could be open pop-up, it could be download file, it could be to go to the next page if you were creating a funnel, it could be a call, SMS, email membership, whatever it may be. And if it was go to page, maybe you want it to go to your thank you page, okay? You also can come in here and see what it looks like on mobile, and then you can adjust anything on mobile and it won't change on the desktop. And lastly, what you'll want to do is go ahead and connect your domain. Just click connect domain and you can follow the links. Then all you have to do after that is go ahead and publish. But I highly recommend looking at it on your phone, looking at it on a computer. Don't publish the same day that you create it, because you want to come in here with fresh eyes, look everything over, make sure the copy sounds like you and your brand voice. Come in here and check all of the buttons to make sure that they actually go where you want them to. Just coming in here and looking at all the little details. You can even add extra animations and everything like that if you want. Okay, then you'll click publish and you are good to go. Okay, now before we wrap up, I just wanted to talk about a few bonus tips that will make your GoHighLevel website work even better. So tip number 1 is to keep pages simple. You don't need long, complicated pages. Focus on clear messaging, one main goal per page, and strong call to action buttons. Tip number 2 is to use forms strategically. Instead of just adding a contact page, embed forms on key pages so visitors can take action right away. Forms connect directly to your CRM, which is a huge advantage. Tip number 3, mobile check-in is non-negotiable. Always double check how your site looks on mobile. Most visitors are going to see your site on their phone first. Tip number 4 is to build with automation in mind. As you design your site, think about what happens after someone fills out a form. Even a simple email or text follow-up can make your website far more effective. And tip number 5 is you can improve as you go. Your website does not have to be perfect from day one. Launch it, collect feedback, and then refine over time. Progress beats perfection every single time. Okay, now I just wanted to touch on the different pricing options. Now they do have a couple options here. They've got the starter plan and then the unlimited plan. So the starter plan is $97 per month. And again, you can get access to that extended 30-day free trial with our link. So after that 30 days, it's $97 per month. month. If you're a solopreneur, you're probably just going to need the starter plan. You get all of the tools that we talked about, the full booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, and more. And then you also get unlimited contacts and users, and you can add as many as you need. And then you can set up to 3 sub accounts. So this is the main difference right here. Then they've got the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. You get everything in the starter, but the main difference is you get unlimited sub accounts. And you also get API access and a branded desktop app. But again, if you're a solopreneur, you'll probably be fine with this starter plan. But again, try it out with a 30-day free trial and then see how you like it, and then you can make your decision from there. I know when you're building a website for the first time, it can feel like there's so many options and not enough clarity. But keeping everything in one platform honestly makes such a big difference. If you want to explore this yourself, again, that link is down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel with simple step-by-step tutorials so you can build, automate, and scale your business with confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.